Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this bath salt. First, we'll empty our jar of ingredients into a bowl and mix it all together. Once we're done mixing that up, we'll need a second bowl to divide the mixture in half to make the two different colors. Once it's divided roughly in half, we'll take our color and scent oil and dump it into one half of the mixture. Look at that bubble. It's so cool. Once it hits the bathtub, it'll have the same fizzing effect in the water. Mix that all together to create the red color. And now we'll need our jar again to start stacking into our candy cane stripes. I'm starting with my red color and making sure to use my spoon to press it in the bottom. Next, I'm sprinkling in the white. And now adding a little bit more pink, and we'll keep stacking them back and forth until we have as many even layers of the colors as possible. Now that we have this super awesome striped effect, all we have to do is label it. We'll add the lid, and I'm taking my sticky label and I'm going to write Candy Cane Bath Salts on it. This would be a great thing to give as a gift or give the kit as a gift to make. And you can decorate the top label however you'd like. I'm choosing to draw some candy canes because it fits the theme. And now I'm going to color it in with a red marker. You can use markers, crayons, pencils, any type of drawing material that you have lying around. Now that my label's finished, I'm going to stick it on the top of the lid. And using my piece of twine, I'm going to tie on the mini candy cane and the serving spoon. Not really serving, but it helps measure out the bath salts. And once that's tied on in a cute little bow, it's all packaged and ready to go. There you have it. Thanks for watching.